What's good, y'all? Welcome to Cooking with Josh. Today we're making lemon ricotta pancakes. This is what I gotta work with. Oh my gosh. I cleaned this shit. Oh my gosh. Today's recipe is gonna have whole milk, ricotta cheese, salt, lemon curd, all-purpose baking flour, sugar, butter, which we're gonna melt.
Why did I say it like that?
Baking soda, and vanilla extract. I also have, what's it called? Do I still have my lemon in here? I still have a lemon, so yeah, we're gonna use a lemon zest. We're gonna get 3/4 of ricotta cheese. Now we're back. Fuck. What the fuck am I supposed to do? Eggs and vanilla extract. Yep. Oh shit. We don't talk about that. 2 more eggs. We add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now we mix it up. I'm gonna do this shit later. Now our result is this, the mixture. See, there's like not many like clumps in it. Yeah, that's me. Now we're gonna set this aside and we're gonna make like a flour well with the, I'm dead reading this. Flour, sugar, powder, soda, baking powder, and salt. And we're gonna whisk that for around 20 seconds. 1/2 cups of flour. 1/2. 2 halves. 3 halves. This is premium domino sugar. Okay, it was 3.5, so. We add our baking soda and salt. There we go. And how much salt? 1/2 tablespoon of salt. 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Now we're gonna make a well for it. So we're just trying to make a little center. So we're just gonna make like a little well. This is not a fucking well, but it will fucking do today. Cutting board knife. First, always have to put a paper towel under the board so it doesn't slip. I really wish I got a peeler before recording this video. Please don't do this at home. Please, I beg of you. We're gonna try to get lemon zest and get rid of this white pit over here. That's what makes it bitter. The bitterness part, like that white pit, is the only thing I agree with. This shit looks bald. Squeeze another lemon. How much milk do we need? So we need 1 cup of milk. Okay, now we get a cup of milk is done. What the fuck else do we get? Now we're gonna let this curdle. Put this into our well. We're just gonna whisk this all up. If y'all don't know what lemon curd is really just like lemon juice, some eggs, and then just like some cream in it. It's like a jam, sort of, preserved. Fast forward, I already made the pancakes. Now I'm just making some like turkey bacon. Sorry looking bacon. Pancakes, they buzz. Yeah.
Do the practice exams, like just like continue to do like questions. I was telling.
It's good. It's fluffy. Y'all should try it. Alright, catch y'all. These angles are so ass. I mean, the pancakes were good though.